Let me eat my sandwich!
My hat! Hey, give back my hat!
Tom, we should go out today.
Mom, where are we going?
It's a nice sunny day. Let's go to the beach.
Okay, then let's get ready for the beach.
Are you happy now?
Mom, how far is the beach? Can I play in water?
Yes, why not? I am so happy we came here today.
Here's your sandwich, sweetheart. Eat it while it's fresh, okay? We'll just take a little walk along the beach and be right back.
Okay, Mom. Let me eat my sandwich. Let me eat my sandwich. Come back.
What happened?
Tell us, Tom.
Bird took my sandwich.
Really naughty.
These birds are thieves.
Maybe. That's sad.
I saw it. It took my food.
Let's watch carefully. We should not decide too fast. No problem, dear. Here, take this. You can have another sandwich.
I see 3. One small, and one looks very hungry.
Look, Mom. I like the little one. He is so cute.
Let's give them names. Big, small, and hungry.
Okay. Mom, can I play in the water?
Be careful. The water moves very fast.
The water, it is so cold. It moves so fast.
Stay here. Do not go any further.
Mom, look. The ocean is so strong.
Hey, run! The water is coming so quickly.
Mom, I am going to play in the sand. The sand is so warm and soft.
I am going to play in the sand. Let me build a sand castle.
Come, dear. Let's walk in the water.
My hat! Hey, give back my hat!
That's strange. Why take it and drop it there? Be careful, the rocks are wet.
Hey, I see more things.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff.
Look, the little bird is trying to stop it.
The birds are not stealing. They are trying to help. That's amazing. What is happening here?
The pelican is taking things.
Let's collect everything and give it back.
Thank you.
Everyone please listen. Some birds were blamed for stealing, but they were helping us. The real problem was the pelican. The bait were helping us. But please keep your things safe.
The birds can stay, but please keep your things safe.
So cute.
Here you go.
Okay.
What did we learn today? 3 things.
What are they?
First, not all birds are bad. Second, we should look carefully before we blame someone. And third,
We should never leave our food alone!
And what are the names of the 3 birds?
Big, small, and hungry.
Thank you for watching today's story. What did you learn today? We learned that we should not blame too quickly. We should look carefully and understand the truth. And sometimes, even small birds can be heroes. Now it's your turn. Can you remember the names of the 3 birds? Write your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us make more simple and fun English stories for you. See you in the next video. Take care, and keep learning English every day.